Okay, welcome back. I'm going to be looking at multiplying and dividing real numbers. This is actually pretty simple. I'm going to just throw in some fractions. When you see this, this is 1/2 divided by 1/3. The easiest way to do it is just to leave this fraction, change the sign to a multiplication, and then flip it. That is, flip it, make it 3 over 1. And when you do this, you get 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2. Pretty simple, right? This one you do 1/2, and then now it's going to be times -4 over 1, and then you get -4 over 2, which reduces to a -2. This one is, you just keep it -5/7, and I keep that negative on the top. It's -5 over 7 times a -2 over 1. So -5 times -2 is a negative, or excuse me, is a positive 10, and 1 over 7 is or 7 times 1 is 7. So it's literally that simple. While we're at it, we might as well move forward and talk about the distributive property. Distributive property is pretty simple. Looking in your stuff, if I just do a quick one, you got 6, and if it's z plus 4, distributive property, if you got 6 and it's z plus 4, it just kind of goes 6 times z is 6z, and 6 times positive 4 is positive 24. 6 times, so it's 6z plus positive 24. If you have like a negative 6 times -6 times 3x minus 2, this becomes negative 18x plus 12. So really the only thing you have to worry about is that this -6 multiplies that. This -6 multiplies that. A little more complicated stuff, if I have a fraction like 2m minus 5 all over 9, I actually can rewrite this as 2m divided by 9 minus 5 divided by 9. It's not really that difficult. The only other hiccup I could possibly think of is if you have something like this, if it's negative out in front, like negative 6 plus j. If it's negative 6 plus j, treat this like a -1. So it's -6 minus j. Okay? Also, while we're at it, let's talk about simplifying things. Simplifying would be like if I have negative 15a and I'm going to do a minus 9a. I can combine these guys because they're exactly alike. Negative 15 minus 9, I believe, is negative 24, and then the a goes with it. So what I just did in the last 3 minutes is covered everything that you need to know. Hopefully this helps. See you in class. If you don't understand something, pause the video, go back and do it again. And may the force be with you.